Okay, everyone, in this video I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make commercial building with rooftop. Okay, first of all, we have to make a rotated rectangle for a basic shape. We can set the length around 8 meter and 8 meter for the width. Okay, we can turn off the shadow first. Okay, and after that we have to push it up around 300 millimeter. Okay, and then we have to make it group. Okay, and after that we can move it to the upper position. We can move it to the upper position around a 4 meter, just like this. So then we can move it to the upper position again. We can make component, can create it, then we can select move, press control. We can we can make the floor to floor are 3600 millimeter. So we can duplicate it again to the upper position again. Okay, it's just like this, and then we can make the wall. We can make the corner wall over there. We can use the line, and we can set this wall anyway. So then we can push it. We can offset it around 150 millimeter. So then we can close the line, and then we can close the line again, and then we can push it up until the top floor anyway, or maybe just for this. Then we can set the parapet around 1500 millimeter only. So and then we can make it group, and then we can make the facade of this building. And anyway, we can set the thickness is around 500 more anyway. Okay, just like this. So the floor to ceiling around 2.8 meter for the floor to ceiling. Okay, and then we can make it unique because it is a rooftop roof. Okay, okay, and after that we can make the extension of the floor. We can offset it outside around 200 millimeter only. Then we can close the line anyway. We can close this line, and we can push it down around 180 millimeter. Okay, so we can get the simple slab over there. Okay, and then we can push it to the little front, just like this, and then we can push it to the little bit front. Okay, and then we can throw the line over there. We can throw the line with the line tool. Then we can push. We can offset it outside around just 20 millimeter, for example. We can close the basic plane anyway. We can close the basic plane, and then we can push it up. Okay, and then we can make group, and we can make component create. So then we can move and press control to duplicate it. We can move it to this position anyway. Okay, and then we can make the column over there with this position. Then we can just make it group anyway. We can push it until this position, top position. Then okay, and after that we can make the glass material of it. can make glass material, and then we can divide the glass panel. We can select this line, and we can just select move, press Ctrl, and we can place on this position and type 8/enter. We can select this line, vertical line, so then we can move and press Ctrl to duplicate it. Then we can type here, then we can type 8/enter. So then we can make the midpoint of the line. Okay, just like this, and then we can make another glass opening. We can make the extension floor first. So then we can extend this floor maybe around 2 meter, and make group and just push it to the left side a little bit. Okay, and then we can make the line separator over there, then we can push it to the back anyway. Then we can push it down just a little bit. So then we can make the another column of it. We can place on this, and then we can place on this, then we can make it group. Okay, so then we can make a door frame. We can make a storefront. We can make the beam first. It's around this dimension. We can move it up till 3 meter, for example. Okay, and then we can push it to the another side. Make group, and then we can we can move it a little bit down around 600. Then we can push it to the another side. Then we can duplicate it, rotate 90 degree. Okay, and then we can place on the other position of it. Okay, just place on the position, and then we can also we can make a line over there. So then we can draw a rectangle. Okay, we can push it to the back around 20 millimeter, and make group, make component, just screw it. Then we can move it to the left side. You can flip it along with the right axis. So then we can make the glass material over there to make a display with a green axis anyway. Okay, just like this, and then we can select this line, and then we can move. Then we can move and press Ctrl, and we can place on this position, and we can type 4/enter. Then we can make it group. So then we can make a line again in this position with a rectangle. We can place on the green area. I'm sorry, it's getting trouble. Okay. We have to use the single line. We can push it. We can move to the perimeter, and then we can select this line, select a move, and press Ctrl, and place on it, and then we can type 7/ and enter. Okay, we can make it group. So then we can make a glass component. Okay, then we can move it to the center position first. Then we can using scale. We can place on this. We can move to the center position. Okay, we can move to the center position, and then we can using scale. Okay, and then we can select rectangle. We can use rotated rectangle anyway. or we can use rectangle only. Then we can set thickness, it's just a simple thickness, and then we can place on this, we can make it group. Okay, then we can make the door handles, just simple door handle anyway. Then we can make the metal, then we can place on it, then we can move it to the another side anyway. Okay, and after that we have to make the parapet. We can make a parapet this building with a line, and then we can offset it outside. Okay, we can offset it outside, and then we can push it to the upper position, make group. So then we can make the variation of the building anyway, the secondary skin building anyway. Okay, just like this, and then we can place on the another perimeter. Okay, and it's done. Then we can push it to the front. We can push it to the front around 300 millimeter. Then we can make it group, and then we can push it to the down position. We can push it to the another position again. We can push it 300 millimeter. Then we can make a small rectangle to continue it to the another side. And also this we can type 300, and then we can make a simple rectangle, and then we can place on here. And also we can close the shape of secondary skin with the rectangle, and we can push it to the upper position like this. Okay, and after that we can make the another variation of the triangle arrangement anyway. Okay, we can make the triangle, the asymmetrical triangle anyway, to make it more aesthetic and representative, to make it more playful exterior impression anyway. Okay, we can draw like this. So we have to push it to the back just a little bit, maybe around 50 millimeter or 60. Then we can push it again, and just double click off all of this face anyway. So then we can make the color, and then we can make the color light gray. We can set the dark gray on this small asymmetrical rectangle anyway. Okay, anyway we can make the another canopy up there. We can make the another canopy right here. We can make the extension canopy to make it more tropical building that responds to the outdoor extreme climate. Okay, so then we can make the another dark material of this floor, of this corner floor anyway. Okay, just like this, or maybe we can just edit this. Okay, and after that we can make the canopy. We can offset it inside just a little bit. So then we can select the cladding. We can use this anyway. Okay, and then we can make the another support or column over there. We can push it to the upper position. Then we can move it or make it component, create, and then we can just move and press Control and place on this. Okay, then we can select a move, Control, and place on this position. It's just additional canopy. Okay, so then we can move it to the front position, then we can move it to the another position, or maybe it's too tall. We can check about it. Oh, it's too tall. It's just 2500 millimeter only. It's enough anyway. So then we can move it to the bottom, to the lower position of it. Okay, maybe just like this, and then we can push it down. Okay, and it's done, and then we can make the another. Okay, we can make the another material of it. We can use this. 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 Okay, it's look more representative. So then we can make the fender box over there. It's just a simple fender box. So then we can make a landscaping area. We can place on it and make group, and so then we can set the material. Okay, just like this. So then we can set the we can set the color of the canopy of every canopy in the ground floor. We can just like this anyway, or maybe we can make it more representative. We can push it upper position a little bit, so then we can make the corner line, and then we can select this line, this corner line, and then we can move. Okay, so then we can move, and then we can select the material of it. Okay, just something like this, and we can make the another okay, we can make the additional wall over there to make the signage. We have to make a signage of the building anyway. Okay, then we can set the logo over there, and maybe just like this. Okay, it's just for example, you have to make a logo. Okay, maybe just like this, and then we can okay, and then we can set the ceiling color with the white color only. Okay, and that we want to set the glass color to make it more representative. Okay, it's just like this. Okay, and then we can set the downlight material. Okay, just like this, and then we can push it a little bit down, and we can set the thickness of the frame. So then we can select the color of the light, then we can select the okay, it's enough. We can use white, then we can make component and create. So then we can place to the another position, then we can type 5 slash. Okay, can arrange it more, and then we can type 5 slash again. Then we can select this for downlight, and then we can place on here, then we can type 5 slash, so it will be automatically arrangement of the downlight material. And then we can select all of this center position of the downlight, the lighting. So then we can move it. We can use section to make us easy. We can select it, and we can select move, control, and place on this. and place on this position, and we can place on this position to make it more representative enough. Anyway, we can make the another color of this material anyway to make it more elegant look anyway. Maybe we can use okay, we can use our triangle to make more representative. So then we can make another floor material with concrete, and it's almost done. Okay, it is done, and then we can select the landscape, and then we can select this material, and we can make it group. So then we can okay, and then we can add the component with the we can add the component material. We can use the tree material, then we can place on this, then we can scale it down. So then we can select the color. We can place on this position, so then we can set the opacity, and it's maybe it's just enough anyway. So then we can place the another tree to the another position anyway, just for example. Okay, then we can I'm sorry, it's just too much. Okay, I think it's enough. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you to make commercial building with a rooftop in this video, and I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you. And of course, just wait for my next video. Thank you.